In school, there's a problem that we need to prevent, a problem that needs guidance, program, communication, love, and comfort. For those people who bullied, who discriminate, who underestimate their own characteristic, it's either normal or something else in their life.
Bingi ka ba? Nahulog yung panyo mo. Yung panyo mo nahulog. Ba't di mo pinapansin? Yung panyo mo nahulog. Bingi ka ba?
Bibiro mo ba? Umongo ka ba? Ha?
Masira ba yun sa ulo? Ano ba yan? Ano naman? Ang baliw? Pogi na lang po. Hanapin mo. Ako ba ito? Hanapin mo. Hanapin mo. Sabi mo mahanap to kasi bulag ka. Ha? Bulag ka kasi.
I have noticed how you've been treating other students, and it's unacceptable. I'm going to report this to the counselor.
Good afternoon po, sir. Gusto lang po akong patik sir sa program.
Kuha mo na. So, class, may gaganapin na, may gaganapin na anti-bullying program tomorrow. So, kayo yung gusto kong ipahatid doon na take notes sa event. Especially to those here and the students, we are here to promote a program which is named Anti-Bullying Program. Anti-Bullying Program is to educate. Education and awareness holding workshop and samples to elevate students, empower and support, provide resources and support for students who bully. The TBIS program to promote a positive behavior. Ano yung gagawin mo? It is to reporting and response procedures to establish clear and accessible report. So let's work together to create a more positive and respectful environment for everyone who feels bullied, like feels safe, supported, and empowered. That's for all day.
This program is collaborative effort is success depends on the participation of the everyone in our school.
Yeah. We encourage you to actively participate in the program initiative, learn about bullying prevention strategies, and report any incidents you witness.
Let's work together to create a more positive and respectful environment where every individual feels safe, supported, and empowered.
Together we can make